What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. FALAK.
We are on our way right now to Syracuse to pick up what? What are we picking up?
Picking up my car.
Brand new car. It's a 2020, you feel me? I can't say too much. You're gonna have to see. It's nice and blacked out. It's a very nice car. We're on our way right now. We just stopped by Starbucks. I'll probably throw a clip in there. Venti pink drink, no strawberries?
Venti pink drink, no strawberries. Anything else?
We good?
A venti strawberry. No, a venti strawberry acai. Let me show you what I got. I got a strawberry acai, like usually, and he only get a pink drink. What kind of man drink pink drink? What?
Pink drink.
Yeah, the weather is super suck today.
Yeah.
It's really bad weather.
We were just in Boston yesterday, and now we're back on the thruway again. This is what we do on our off day. Waste gas.
Yeah,
Now we're back
definitely.
on the road again. It's like we never left.
We left around, what time yesterday? We left around 12 something, remember? So out playing, we're just trying to take some photo for the car on the snow, whatever.
Yeah.
And then for somehow we end up all the way in Cupertino. That was really pretty. It's alright, but
And what do we do in Boston?
we went all the way to Boston, drive around, look at the city at nighttime. We got there around, what, 5 o'clock? And it
And
was
we went absolutely nowhere.
nowhere.
No, we went somewhere.
Cause,
We didn't eat anything.
yeah, cause just the park there's no parking lot. And it's just like, everywhere is like, you don't know where to park. And if you're gonna park your car in like the public parking, you gotta pay for it. And then we're only gonna be there like an hour, like 30 minutes or so. So
Yeah.
like, it's not worth it.
It's not worth it at all.
Uh-huh.
We tried, going. We tried the paying thing before, but it's really not worth it. It's like $30.
If there would be $30 and then we're gonna be there for like the whole day, then yeah, but then we're gonna be there just for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, then I don't think it's worth it. So we end up getting McDonald's on the throughway again.
Yeah, we ate McDonald's the whole day.
Yep, it sucked. But next time if we ever go back to Boston, we'll show you guys the hot spot that we went to.
The next time we go to Boston, we got a big surprise. We can't say too much,
Yeah.
but it's gonna be a very good surprise. But they don't know where you headed.
I'm heading back to my country, which Vietnam, and I'll be gone for like the whole month.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
I'll be gone. I'm leaving in 2 weeks.
I wish I went, but not yet.
Yeah, because someone cannot take a whole month off vacation.
No.
And suck for you, I guess.
Yeah, I can't yet.
And I'm gonna be there for the whole month and enjoy the nice warm weather, and you over here struggling with us all the snow, cold.
Yeah. It's actually not. It actually sucks. It's not the end of the world. Winter. I think it's like 50 days left until winter, and it's gonna be over.
50 day left.
Yeah.
Ain't we like on January?
About 50 days.
Oh no, we have like 3 months of
No, we
winter.
don't. We don't. 50
What
days
if,
left. Like 50 is like a month.
girl, you in
20 days.
upstate New York, like winter will be here until what? May or so. Like, it's still cold in May, and then it's
Yeah.
just snow. That's kind of weird, but you don't know, this weather is suck, man. But I don't know. I'll be out of here, so.
We'll catch you guys when we're on our way inside Syracuse. We'll probably show you guys a little bit of a Syracuse clip or something like that. But yeah, we'll see you guys when we get there. Alright, so update guys. We're actually at the dealership here. Copyright. YouTube, the song. It's copyright music turned on right now, but thanks so much.
All right, so this first one here, I always explain, this is through CFCU, which is the lien holder.
Alright guys, I don't know if you can barely see it, but There's the car over there. I'm gonna try to get more footage when we are outside. All right, we're back here, Fong. How are you feeling right now?
I am super excited.
So excited.
Yeah.
We just got done almost doing some of the last paperwork, but not really though.
And
So
it's actually a long process, and I haven't ate anything yet.
Aren't you drinking some Starbucks over there? No?
Water. I mean, I haven't got anything in my stomach.
Yeah. What's over there behind in the window over there?
It's my new car.
It's a new car.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now we're just waiting for the DMV. Doing some more paperwork. Can't show you this. Can't show you everything's on there. Should be outside in a little bit.
They definitely brushed the hell out of the car.
Nah. Here's the car, guys. Didn't show you guys, but it's a 2020 Nissan Sentra. Feeling excited?
Yeah.
Brand new car?
Brand new one.
Yo, you got your own V, bro. Look at this. It's actually cracked. Got a screen and everything. Bluetooth, all that, bro. Uh-huh.
They turned
Look
it
at
off.
this. Look at that. Why you turn off? That's all you gotta do. You just press it and it's on.
I thought it's not true.
No, there you go.
All right.
We actually got back to the house here, parked up the new Nissan. Let me show you guys the keys. Haven't showed you guys the keys yet. Here's the new keys. 2020 Nissan Sentra. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys like this video, make sure to thumbs up, share, comment down below. What should I do next type of video you guys want to see? But it's been your boy, FALAK, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.